Hello Vivikians, welcome back to your maths class. Here again Anita ma'am is with you. In the last video, we have learnt how to add 4-digit numbers without carryover. Now today, we shall start with page number 57 and the objective of today's lesson is to learn to add 4-digit numbers with carryover. So, let's start today's work. So addition of 4-digit numbers with carryover. Let us take an example. Add 4,762 and 2,879. We have to add these two numbers. First, write the number vertically, means in vertical form. Ones place digit in ones column, tens place digit in tens column, hundred place digit in hundreds column, and thousand place digit in thousands column. Now step wise we will add these two numbers. जैसे हमने 3-digit numbers को किया था add, similarly we will do this. Now step 1 is add the ones place digit. So ones place पे क्या digits हैं? 2 and 9. So 2 plus 9, what we will get? 11. 2 plus 9 is 11. So we get 11 ones. Now there are 2 digits, so we cannot write 2 digits here. Okay, so we will regroup this number. Now 11 में ones place पे भी 1 है और tens place पे भी 1 है. That means there are 1 tens and 1 ones, right? So we will write down 1 in the ones column and 1 tens is carried over in the tens column, right? Now step 2 is add the tens place digits. So 1 which is carried over plus 6 plus 7. 1 plus 6 is 7 and 7 plus 7 is 14. So we get 14 tens. Again there are 2 digits and we cannot write 2 digits here. So we have to regroup this number. Now 14 tens. 14 tens का meaning क्या है? 14 into 10 which is equals to 140. Now in this number 140, 1 is at 100 place and 4 is at tens place. Means there are 100s and 4 tens. So we will write down 4 in tens column and 100s carried over in hundreds column. Now step 3, add the hundreds. 1 which is carried over plus 7 plus 8, right? 1 plus 7 is 8 and 8 plus 8 is 16. So we get 16 hundreds. 16 hundreds का मीनिंग क्या है? 16 into 100. जैसे 14 टेंस में हमने 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किया था, 14 into 10. So 16 hundreds में 16 into 100 which is equals to 1600. Now in this number 1 is at 1000 place and 6 is at 100 place. Means there are 1000s and 600s. So we will write 6 in hundreds column and 1000 is carried over in the thousands column. Now the last step is add the 1000 place digit 1 which is carried over plus 4 plus 2. 1 plus 4 plus 2. 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7. So we get 7000. So write down 7 in thousands column. So we get the answer 7641. So in this way you have to add the 4-digit numbers with carryover. Now the next question is arrange in columns and add. There are 3 numbers. One is of 4-digit, second is of 3-digit and the third is of 2-digit number. So we have to add these 3 numbers. So first we have to arrange these numbers column wise and then we will add. So first of all write down ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now in the first number 5 is at ones place, so write down 5 in ones column. 2 is at tens place, so write down 2 in tens column. 7 is at hundreds place, so write down 7 in hundreds column. 8 is at thousand place, so write down 8 in thousands column. In the second number 7 is at ones place, so write down 7 in ones column. 9 is at tens place, so write down 9 in tens column. 4 is at hundreds place, so write down 4 in hundreds column and there is no digit at thousand place, right? In the last number 36, 6 is at ones place, so write down 6 in ones column. 3 is at tens place, so write down 3 in tens column. Also, there is no digit at hundreds and thousand place. Now, we will add these numbers. Stepwise, we will add. First, we will add the ones place, then tens place, then hundred place, and then the thousand. So, at the ones place, 5 plus 7 plus 6. So, 5 plus 7 is 12, and 12 plus 6 is 18. So, we get 18 ones. 18 ones का meaning क्या है? There are 8 ones and 1 tens. Means we will write 8 in ones column and 1 is carried over in the tens column. Now add the tens. 1 which is carried over. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. So we get 15 tens. So 15 tens का meaning क्या है? यहाँ पर 1 hundreds हैं और 5 tens हैं. So we will write down 5 here and 1 is carried over in the hundreds column. Now add the hundreds. 1 which is carried over. So 7 plus 1 is 8 and 8 plus 4 is 12. Right? 12 hundreds we get. 12 hundreds का meaning क्या है? That means there are 1 thousands and 2 hundreds. So we will write down 2 here and 1 thousands is carried over in thousands column. And now in the last add the thousands place digit. 8 plus 1 is 9. So we get the answer 9258. So in this way you have to arrange the numbers in column wise and then you will add the numbers. Now we will discuss about some word problems. As you have already done word problems based on 3-digit numbers, so now we will do the word problems based on 4-digit numbers. I hope you have remembered keywords of addition like altogether, in all, total, put together, plus, sum of. So whenever you will find any one of these keywords in word problems, that means you have to do the addition. So let's move further. Okay, let's discuss about some word problems, and this is question number 4 of Let's Try 5 in your maths course book. So first read the statement. There are 1050 books of English, 1250 books of mathematics and 1100 books of science in a library. Find the total number of books in the library. तो वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स में सबसे पहले हम ये देखते हैं कि क्वेश्चन के अंदर क्या गिवन है, क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन दी गई है, और उसके बाद चेक करेंगे कि हमें फाइंड आउट क्या करना है. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर ऑफ डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स बुक्स आर गिवन and we have to find out the total number of books in library, right? So सबसे पहले क्या दिया हुआ है? Number of English books. So we will write number of English books in library 1050. Write down the places also, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Next, number of mathematics books. So write down number of mathematics books in library 1250. Then number of science books in library 1100. So we have to write down these statements from the question को अच्छे से read करके ही आपने वहीं से ये statements लिखनी है. Right, now we have to add these 3 numbers because here it is written that find the total number of books in the library. टोटल वर्ड आ गया है, तो टोटल वर्ड एज यू ऑलरेडी नो द टोटल वर्ड के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? एडिशन. सो वी हैव टू ऐड दीज 3 नंबर्स एंड इन द लास्ट व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट फाइंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ बुक्स इन द लाइब्रेरी. तो यही लाइन मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया, टोटल नंबर ऑफ बुक्स इन द लाइब्रेरी. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट टोटल नंबर ऑफ बुक्स इन लाइब्रेरी. नाउ ऐड दीज 3 नंबर्स. So first add the ones, 0 plus 0 plus 0 which is 0. Then add the tens, 5 plus 5 10 plus 0 that is 10. तो 10 का हम यहाँ पे 0 लिख देंगे and 1 is carried over here. Then 1 plus 2 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4 and in the last 1000 places digit 1 plus 1 plus 1 that is 3. So we get the answer 3400 books. So total number of books in library are 3400. Let's do another word problem and it is question number 6 of Let's Try 5 in your maths course book. So first we will read the statement. Find the 4-digit number that you get when you add 1 to the greatest 3-digit number. तो सबसे पहले हम ये देखेंगे कि क्वेश्चन के अंदर क्या दिया हुआ है और हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है. So in this question we have to find out a 4-digit number. हमें एक 4-digit number find out करना है और वो हमें कब मिलेगा? When we will add 1 to the greatest 3-digit number. जब हम greatest 3-digit number में 1 add करेंगे. But सबसे पहले हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि greatest 3-digit number कौन सा होता है. So greatest 3-digit number is 999. और इसको हम कैसे याद रख सकते हैं? फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपको ग्रेटेस्ट 2-digit नंबर निकालना हो तो यू कैन राइट 99 मीन्स 9 को 2 टाइम्स लिख के 99, राइट. सो इट बिकम्स ग्रेटेस्ट 2-digit नंबर. अगर आपको ग्रेटेस्ट 3-digit नंबर निकालना है सो यू कैन राइट 9 3 टाइम्स 999. सो इट बिकम्स 999 विच वी हैव रिटन. अगर आपको ग्रेटेस्ट 4-digit नंबर निकालना है तो यू कैन राइट 9 4 टाइम्स 999. It becomes 9999. So it is the greatest 4-digit number, and in this way you can find out the greatest number of 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit and so on, right? So we have written here greatest 3-digit number 999. Write down the places also, ones, tens and hundreds. Now the question is when you add 1 to the greatest 3-digit number. अब हमने इसमें क्या ऐड करना है? 1 ऐड करना है. So we will write by adding 1. और हम इसमें क्या ऐड कर देंगे? 1. Put a sign of addition here. Now we have to add these two numbers, right? And when we will add these two numbers, we will get a 4-digit number. So we will write 4-digit number that we get. जब आप इन दोनों नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे यू विल गेट 1000. और हमने एडिशन फैक्ट्स में भी ये किया था कि जब भी हम किसी नंबर में 1 ऐड करते हैं तो हमें उस नंबर का सक्सेसर मिल जाता है. सो 1000 इज द सक्सेसर ऑफ 999. सो इट्स योर चॉइस, आइदर यू कैन राइट द सक्सेसर और यू कैन ऐड द नंबर. सो वी गेट 1000 एज अ आंसर, राइट. एंड यू नो 1000 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट 4-digit नंबर. इसे भी आप इस तरह से याद रख सकते हैं जैसे आपको स्मॉलेस्ट अगर 2-digit नंबर निकालना है सो यू कैन राइट 10. अगर आपको स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit नंबर निकालना है सो यू कैन राइट 100. इफ वी हैव टू राइट स्मॉलेस्ट 4-digit नंबर सो वी कैन राइट 1000. There are 4 digits, there are 3 digits and there are 2 digits. So this is the smallest 2-digit number, smallest 3-digit number and smallest 4-digit number, right? So we get our answer 1000, which is the smallest 4-digit number, right? So with the help of these questions you have to solve the other questions of Let's Try 5. Hope you have understood today's topic. Now your home assignment is Let's Try 5 in your maths course book and MyChan 5 in your practice book. This is all for today. We will continue this chapter in the next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care and bye-bye.